Welcome to Go Seller 2022 by Seller App. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Seller App's team for giving me opportunity to talk to you today. Hello, my name is Prabhat. I'm founder at Online Seller UK. The topic for today is how to launch a product successfully on Amazon. So there are millions of products on Amazon today. So getting your new products noticed during the product launch is an important step. So this talk today will help you understand how to get your product noticed, get that first sales and the sales after that. There are two key types of products on Amazon. Private label. So these are the products chosen which is highly popular, but the brand is not known. The second one is brands that customer knows the brand, but the product is new to Amazon. So if you are selling private label products, there is a good news, which you already may know, that only 22% of the searches on Amazon includes a brand name. So having a generic product with a private label brand is a good practice.
Hey, it's Riya Mithil here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're running on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling!